Welcome to Qiyoga with LuChin. In this video, I will show you a few simple movements which are great for the deep shoulder muscles like the rotator cuff, activation and strengthening. And this exercise has been so helpful for my own healing of the neck and shoulder injury. Now let's get started. We will begin with the neck rotation. Stand nice and tall, feet hip width, knees slightly bent to relax the entire spine. And tuck the chin, begin to rotate your neck clockwise. Slowly and mindfully loosen up every muscle fiber on your neck. The trapezius muscles starts behind our ears. Now we're warming up the trapezius, the big muscle. And counterclockwise. Make sure you stay to the end. You don't want to miss the wall angel exercise. It's so effective. One more round. Bring the chin back to center. Bring the arms up. Wiggle the waist long. Try to keep the feet parallel to the ground. That will automatically externally rotate the thigh. Opens the hips a little. Then you might stack the palms. Doesn't matter which one's on the front and which one's on the back. Bring the arms closer to your ear. And from here, we're going to draw a circle or shape of oval, lengthen the arms forward, and rise up. Feeling the stretch on top of the pelvic. Warming up the spine and counterclockwise. Any shape or form you draw up here. Slightly engaging the core. And rise up, release the arms down. Shake your hands, shake your wrists. Interlace the fingers and place your hands over the chest bone. Press the palms forward, round into the spine, tuck your chin. Keep the arms parallel to the floor. Inhale, rise, hands to heart. Exhale, round into it, tuck the chin. Arms parallel, press arms further away, lengthening the arms, the shoulder muscles. Two more. Back to neutral, release the arms and shake your hands and wrists. And bring the arms up. Breath in. As you breathe out, open and twist to the right. Reach the right fingertips back. Look to your back fingertips. Keep the arms parallel to the floor, but relax the shoulders. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, open and twist to the left. You notice one side is easier. Our body is not symmetrical. Guide your shoulders away from your ears. Look to the back fingertips. The hips are facing forward. Inhale, arms rise. One more time on each side to the right. Tuck the core and the glutes. Rise up, open to the left. Press the left hip forward. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Release the arms, bend the knees. Inhale, rise. Reach the arms over your head. Chair pose. And exhale, airplane arms. Squeeze into the shoulder blades, palms facing down. Move the weight to your heels. Reach the hips back. Inhale, rise, mountain pose. Exhale, cactus arms. Tuck the body flush. Press the forearms back. Try to keep the arms perpendicular to the ground. Tuck the chin slightly. Draw the shoulder blades towards each other. Opening the front of the shoulder, but activating the muscles along the back of the shoulder blades. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees. Inhale, root to rise, mountain pose. Exhale, release the arms down. Roll the shoulders up and back. Couple of more stretches before we move onto the wall. Interlace the fingers and bring the arms up. Inhale, press up. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Breath in. As you breathe out, stretch to the right. Actively press the left arm up. Slowly back to center. Now stretch to the left with the exhalation. Press into the heel of the right palm. Back to center. One more time to the right. Actively lengthening the left arm. Back to neutral. Stretch to the left. And slowly back to center. Release the arms down. For the wall angel, we're going to stand in front of a wall. I don't have a wall here, so I'm standing in front of these doors. You can stand maybe in front of a dresser if it's hard to find an open space in the house with an empty wall. To begin, we want maybe the feet about 6 inches away from the wall or shorter distance between the wall. The intensity increases if you bring the feet all the way to the wall. You want to make sure the glutes, the shoulder blades, the back of your head are completely flush with the wall. That's the key. Let's begin. Take a breath in. As you release your breath, slowly extend the arms up. Make sure everything is flush against the wall. And it's getting harder when the arms are up. Use the exhale breath to push the arms closer. And then slowly release. Take a couple of full cycles of breath before you start again. Go up with the exhalation. Deep inhale. Exhale, move the arms closer, activating the shoulder muscles. Use your breath to pump. 6 more to go for this shoulder muscle activation. Inhale and get ready. Slowly release your breath. Lift the arms. Press the arms against the wall. The glutes, the shoulder blades, the back of the head are all flush against the wall. Release down. As the arms goes up, be mindful, check in with the back line of your body. Lengthen through the back of your neck. Maybe press the neck towards the wall. Also started to press your middle spine against the wall, activating the deeper layers of shoulder muscles like the rhomboids. Last 3. In this video, I will only be guiding you through 6 repetitions. But when you work it on your own, maybe start with 6, then make it to 12, 15, or eventually 30 repetitions. This wall angel exercise will activate the rotator cuff muscles, pretty much all the muscles involved in the shoulder movements. And you will feel better and less pain in the neck as well. In the last 2 reps, we will be adding a diagonal stretch. Arms out to a T. Send the left arm up. Right hand goes down. Keep the body flush. The head is still on the wall. Finding the stretch across the entire left side. From the leg, lower back, rib cage, your shoulder girdle. Now use the core strength. The left arm is lifting the torso up, back to neutral, and continue to bend to the left side. Sending the right arm towards the ceiling. The tendency is the head will move away from the wall. So be mindful, keep the head flush against the wall. Your arms on the wall as well. Thoroughly stretch the entire right side. And activate the core muscles and pull the pelvic floor tight as you bring yourself back up. Now we can move away from the wall. It's always good to bring up the bones. This is the quickest way to realign all the muscle fibers, to lubricate the joints. Swing a little side to side. Let me know how you like the wall angel. There are many different exercises we can do to help to nourish the shoulder joints, to lubricate them. My rhomboid muscle was atrophied due to a ski accident. Then the trapezius was always overworked, which often causes stiffness on my neck. This wall angel exercise helps so much in activating the rhomboid. Slowly come back to center, bring our hands to heart, gently bow for our time together. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple exercise, but it's not that easy. But keep it up, your shoulder will feel better. Until next time, take care. Bye.